Alright, today I'm going to show you how to work with watercolor. So first we're going to get our brush wet. I'm going to show you how to do a solid wash. You're going to put it in the color you want. Make sure you always wash your brush between switching colors. And we're just going to paint the area the same consistency of watercolor so that it's a solid color. You can go bolder by adding less water, as you can see I'm doing by overlapping. We're going to rinse our brush, and now we're going to look at a gradient, which is when you have a solid color at the top and you transition either to another color or to white. So here I'm starting with blue. You're going to have some thick color at the top. You can re-wet your brush and you can pull some of that color down to make that gradient. You can see it starts being very blue and it goes to clear. Now I'm going to show wet on wet. So you're going to get the area wet just with water. You're going to select your color, and you're going to go right on top of it. You can see you can make it very light, or if you want, you could add some dots for a different kind of effect. Now we're going to do wet on dry. So this is already dried watercolor. I'm going to just do some wet over it. You can see there's kind of a halo around where I'm putting the wet watercolor. It'll look a little different too when it dries. Up next is wax resist. So you're going to take a crayon. A white crayon works really well. And you're going to make your design. Just remember you can't see it, so it's kind of hard. Then you're going to pick a color. And you're going to go right over where the crayon was. And the paint resists where the wax is. So that's why it's called a wax resist. Now we'll do a salt resist, which is similar but a little different. You're going to add the salt afterwards. So you put some watercolor down, get some salt, and you can sprinkle it wherever you want the paint to resist. And later you can flake it off and there'll be little spots. Finally, I'm going to show dry brush. So you get your paint wet, or your brush wet, and you can go right on your canvas or paper. If it's hard to see, you can switch a different color and experiment a little bit, but as you keep going, you'll see you can see the brush stroke more because it's dry. All right, and that's it.